Educational data mining, EDM, methods. EDM methods include prediction, classification, regression, density estimation, clustering. Relationship mining, association rule mining, causal data mining, correlation mining, sequential pattern mining, distillation of data for human judgment. Discovery with models. 1. Prediction. Prediction is an educational data mining technique that employs past data to anticipate future student outcomes. It aids teachers in identifying which students are most likely to succeed, need remedial learning, or may fail and drop out. The most common regression analysis method in EDM is linear regression, which predicts continuous values from continuous or categorical input variables. Examples of prediction methods include classification, used when the predicted variable is categorical. Regression, used when the predicted variable is continuous. Density estimation, used when the predicted value is a probability density function. These methods allow for studying patterns and correlations in data to generate accurate forecasts, which can help educators make informed decisions and allocate resources efficiently. 2. Clustering. Clustering involves grouping data items based on similarities. It is essential in various fields for solving problems like identifying similar users or classifying objects. Hierarchical clustering is utilized for categorical data. K-means clustering is preferred for numerical data. In EDM, clustering is applied to educational data sources, including test scores, class discussions, and student evaluations. The objective is to identify student groups exhibiting similar performance patterns, potential dropout rates, or future success. 3. Relationship mining. Relationship mining, or relational data mining, discovers relationships between variables in a dataset. Algorithms search for patterns meeting criteria of interest and significance. Interest measures the relationship's relevance to the study. Significance assesses the probability that an observed relationship is not due to chance, commonly measured by p-values. Types of relationship mining. Association rule mining discovers connections between items, helping understand patterns like which assignments low-performing students often miss. Causal data mining analyzes causal relationships, such as evaluating the impact of specific teaching methods on student engagement and performance. Correlation mining examines linear relationships, such as between grades and attendance or time invested in learning and achievement. Sequential pattern mining analyzes the temporal order of events, such as the sequence of courses taken by students and their academic success. 4. Data distillation for human judgment. Data distillation involves extracting vital aspects of data to facilitate better decision-making. As data volumes grow, this technique manages information more effectively using visualizations, summaries, and interactive interfaces. The goal is to provide educators with the insights needed to make informed decisions. 5. Discovery with models. Discovery through models is a collaborative methodology where teachers and students create visual representations of knowledge. Unlike automated techniques, this approach leverages human reasoning to group data, predict outcomes, and represent knowledge. The resulting models can help identify relationships between student behaviors and characteristics. EDM process. The EDM process transforms raw data into useful knowledge through several steps. Data selection, choosing or retrieving a preprocessed data set for discovery. Data preprocessing, enhancing data reliability by removing unnecessary information and identifying missing values. Data transformation, preparing data for mining, including classification and clustering. Data mining, applying techniques to extract useful patterns, classification, clustering, regression, etc. Pattern evaluation, identifying and assessing patterns to achieve desired outcomes. Knowledge representation, visually presenting the knowledge gained to aid interpretation and make sense of the results.